All right, this is the 5 frame. Look, she's still in. She's right there. Looks like the candy. There she goes. All right. Well, good. So my glasses got too hot. It's not that hot outside either. But so we got one dead queen from here, and this is the box. The top is left open, and the 5 frame queen just went in. That's what you just saw me do, and then these 2 also went in. So I got 3 queens left in here. All this water, those ducks, man. All right, time to take the queen bank out. Let's see how they do. Well, I got 2 more dead queens in here. At least 2, it looks like 2. I'll double check it before I'll do anything, but let's see how this one looks. Yeah, she's moving around, so I'm gonna take her. I'm gonna put her right here. So these bees were already on her right there, so I'm gonna kind of shake them off a little bit. See if more bees come up to her. Well, I may not. Yeah, she's dead. Let her out. Watch her crawl out. Let's see this one here. Same. All right. That's the end of my queens. So I'm not driving to Elm Grove today to take care of that. But what I will do is